Tomanim, Biddy Omanhene Yaw do Boakye mo Sompa, Beni Asante Eboa ha. Asante want to say, Bibi Aboko, ene ukwada, ene woda, kuku Asante, and by na kukua birthday. My lovely chief executive producer, Kukua Jando, and they na woda. Oh yes. The strength of a woman. And we are nenyum. It's never bamano. Me boss anyum na me kukua. And then water. And then she needs to be celebrated. When it comes to loyalty, when it comes to hard work, enterprising, energetic. I can't have the back pay. Now we are mammy and we are singing. Obey Basa. And anywhere they feel no more Tiano Bian Yabinya Savovia. Yabua Makwaba. But I mean, come for caveat no to any word that it will not go well for Kukua today, minimum any weapon formed against Kukua Janto shall not prosper today. Hi, baby girl. I just want you to know that we love you.
How much more no starting post 2 pictures.
Nana do obey your post with a picture and then the day. Oh, now that I'm here the day, sir.
Miss Yenra,
say,
how much better one wake up?
So we be bro wake up to crank come the man.
Hey,
Yando.
That's right.
Don't listen to just anybody. Because look at said bit. But so I'm gonna picture back compared to Sukran San and Drew Hamaye. Mama be teaser, mom flash it. Ya Grace, Yana. Ya Grace, Mammy teaser, Mammy Kukua. Oh,
Jando.
And I wouldn't be able to see Veronica Kukua Jando. Oh, friend Veronica. Oh, look at that. She's a June 4th girl, Rollins girl too.
Post to us, I post to photo shoot to the video.
My baby girl.
That's right.
Oh, my chief executive producer, extra. Hey,
maybe you're going to say,
I get you off. Girl, you off fair. Just say a woman with height, with brains, with energy. Oh, smartness. Hey, what for what? Nyame shirawo. Obia ka hwe ayente. I have endorsed you. Edie baby, my sign Jando. Now baby to me find the picture and count all the birthdays I'm here no. Because on the chief executive producer of the show. It was not a direct show no. Now ya Grace or the man no what to na ya Grace ya is. Birthday girl, but on our pictures that's a 2 pill.
Yeah, I got to say, where do you
teasers? Anti video ni beba.
Oi, ja. Now, ne start no so bad 1,300.
Or the 2,002 of credit. Hey, Odia. Adia Assembly credit. Master, you can't come and wait you.
Million thousand.
Jando. And measure the jika.
Hey,
Jando never jika.
We not going to say the boy.
Oh, no, they say she always be my girl. And then Jando me see the jika mount.
Hey,
yeah, she am the officer.
Asamamba.
Birthday no me jika mount.
Hey, okay,
Jando. Oh, that be no, Odina. MP Samuel Brasebe Jefie nyina ye frefre mo kuku edi ni birthday. From Adeakye Abia. Stika de yini film na o nye show bia. Stika film na de ma menya se. Collins Adomako. Asenso Boakye. Adeakye Abia. Brian Champo. Yaboama. Honorable chairman say onu de oyo so onu o tita chanu abu yin ni film Bafo.
Yes, Bafo.
Energy Bafo Subi John Darko, Subi.
Oh, yeah, the same.
I know John Darko's birthday. Honestly, a Rollins boy. June 4 for 4.
Jennifer Ufuriwa Queen, Waunia
Jennifer Queen, so now 4th. Whoa, that's lovely. Jennifer, so you're 4th. Oh, okay, that's wonderful. That's very wonderful. I'm celebrating my baby girl. Kukua Jando, the chief executive officer of Slow, asante. The enye show no pay. Baby, I'm boy headlines so na me nyama na mun kama jere wo ho. Baby a wo de abo amako jam slow pa. Odino kwakwapia, your girl is celebrating a birthday today. Bia mo sase anope ya. Mo pese me di momo no tuja kwa am de betuja. Yempe eyi na bia.
Eyema mfa de ne so.
And for 1 day so.
Nidia near mana.
And your man. Oh, Obi Bafio, Professor Didio. I want to get the headlines making news on the note of Kukua's birthday. Appreciation of CD's discussion with Bank of Ghana Governor and Finance Minister. Omanhene Yaw Mama say on the Bank of Ghana Governor Transi. On the finance minister Transi. What would you come over here? Mama Nati as CD no now holding a 10 to 12 to a US dollar. It's on a big China. Between 10 and 12. Or he's assuring Omo exporting Omo a dollar new cost through us or more. AM sure Omunya or $6 no. Or no would you come over here? Mama Nati as say the dollar no bet about 10, now 12, now about 10. Nako 12. Eti baby a bit china pa. If you're 9 years quid, Ghana for sharing we say 10, 12, 10, 12, 10, 12. Omanhene Yaw Mama.
Some people say the value of the cedi is one that we have kept watching as the cedi started to strengthen and the dollar depreciated. With our A-level economics, we all know that it's a balance between imports and exports. What it means is that it makes your imports cheaper and your exports more expensive. And so there must be a fair balance to try and achieve the true value of the cedi. Some people say, oh, it will come down to 4. But of course, we know the true value of the cedi is not 4. And if it went as far down as 4, it will kill all your export businesses. And so myself, the governor and the finance minister met and discussed it. And they think that the real value of the cedi is anywhere between 10 and 12. Luckily, the forex auction has brought it to just above 10, and it appears to have stabilized there. So I think that going forward, anything between 10, 11, and 12 as a band where the cedi operates.
It's Omanhene Yaw Mama ne ka say edwadifo hunu say oni omadi nkomo the omadi na to na nim. So this is good for projection for edwadifo. My panel will be dealing with that. State of the economy, we are committed to adequately resourcing MMDAs. Finance minister say omo aye crowd omani abrepa say MMDAs omemo mu sika ye adwuma.
District Assemblies Common Fund, the DACF. Mr. Speaker, our effort is driven by President Mahama's unwavering commitment to decentralization development, as articulated in Chapter 20 of the 1992 Constitution. It is well established that metropolitan, municipal, and district assemblies have gone through severe financial strain over the past 8 years due to the unfortunate re-centralization of District Assembly's Common Fund. Mr. Speaker, it is evident that decisions taken in recent years have regrettably undermined the capacity of MMDAs to respond effectively to the pressing needs of our people at the local level.
Okay, at the first no fee stress policy. Some education minister say or catch the people with special needs as a matter of urgency to register with Student Loan Trust.
Promise to the matter of no stress fees and free tertiary education as a pledge and promise to you and the Ghanaian people. The president will honor the letter and spirit of his pledge. So therefore, every person with disability needs to register with the Student Loan Trust. Your funding will come through the Student Loan Trust Fund. We are collecting data on persons with disability from the Ghana Tertiary Education Commission, from all tertiary institutions for effective implementation of the free tertiary education policy.
Okay. Eti obia bibi ti oho temacho kakra ba oho ana dam die bia ba. Omampani jo mama shebo se sa nipa ti sa ni nyina obi antua school fees okọ eye tertiary say training college o say nursing o say universities ni nyina draw tertiary ni nyina na no na minister di to just say co register na Student Loan Trust Fund the sika no be dey e no chama wontumi ekọ party headquarters ekọ chia Brian Champon Dr. Mahmoud Ba omi ada o masepa senyamu a ka me koda adwamu yi ye tie chama wontumi Come on, so on Kasa for now. On the burning for Kushiai. We heard General Secretary Nomi Adeakye say, Boakye, Adia. To be an unemployed for Shia, accommodating in our course. Wadomasi. General Secretary Titru, Nipabi no which we count Munia Mabona, Mutuama, to 2 years in Ano, Wadomasi. The 9 almost one, Watting, Wapijan and 9 was stretching. I say I will Mubungu, among for Siwa Bubugua, the 9 or Apeja, it be I come. Famudia do. Okay. Otufo said to our view as Antamura. Na or one cry. And I know you who say or Cosra or Mampeni ewo abankesim. Na and round so or Conanado fee ewo Nima. And then another and ya che. Na Nanado expressing a heartfelt gratitude to Asantehene for the unwavering support. The Nimbra will be dear. I'm sure near course for Kakana for
8 years. To for Papa as chairman of the Council of States, the president. World-famous doctor, renowned doctor. Sompa no one can say but there was a Papa this. Let us see, let us say 7% it can. Therefore, two force. That's something many are saying. Chapa, only China MPPH. Near net, if it's ABC. Equally, Sanchez, you are.
Zoom.
Okay, now operators absence and no parliament na nyagro. Ayarga say afenoma ke mubu sansembia. Yenti ayarga.
Why kind of operator? Why kind of operator? Why can? You promised us that you will bring Ken to this house. He came to this house and made a promise. You promised this house that you will produce Ken. You will produce Ken of operator in May.
Nenra asat eduba kunyina no mo mrahye bedwafie. Adenya under the certificate of urgency there was an amendment to be made concerning energy sector levy. Na sesia de abeto dwane say we ye Ghana ni na akoto petrol 1 liter bia no ayarga say the almost Ghana for no say omo etiti niam bi so yi 27 billion and free sa niam na omo tete emission levy ni sa niam na omo yi free so no akosto aba no 27 billion akwa bia ebusa nsenti sika no o charge ne so 300 billion o sinti say na o charge no imagine 300 billion eti abai no 27 billion no ayaga see 27.5 billion no almost like Ghana for say almost the size sika ma Ghana for emission levy no ne one levy no mu yiye no eno ntino abai no trase no se da bi o sre Ghana for say omuma no 5.7 billion every 27 no na onfa nye niema bi na onfa timi sustain energy ewo aseye ho na yede anyina mahode maye no abai ne kasa nyina no energy sector levy no a ope bi ka ho na amanfo se masa wunya de mkeka no mo yi levy the energy sector levy ba be show na se mo de esa be she fifi ho e se a auto liter bia 1 cedi da so eti gallon no 4.5 eti a gallon of petrol no you see auto 4 cedis 50 pesos ba be count just auto 10 gallons utia 45 cedis aka ho o fele o petrol si to say no mo say Ghana for sacrifice it azante mamra nche
there should be an explanation for this new taxes because me the almost I can't come and say almost say and now say see the appreciation and cost you know the what they are saying no yen feel the effect of this particular increment you know because all say no cost somebody can cry no then say see the cost wa performance so well definitely yen who say ye tua sa to no because enka o $16 na pay in an anke do be kan wan ke be ma ade na koso so this are when I say 10 you know 10 point something no Ghana phone feel but my man na me ka be say o man pan mama me ni nya adwe so be ka say dollar no nya range between 10 and 12 see betimi
o see the o ma ka kire no say dollar no ni cedi na ho odin
o my see betimi the about 6 and 7 and that should be the target because eba from more amount for bet dem so ma I want to about because unti make say you have for 16 with about 10 into yemu and say mom the team has come down more everybody 6 and 7 now
maybe their strength will also be 10
oh my no I didn't know a say one and I'm come business
price mechanism demand and supply onim say enra asante because of Eid adai many almost say you know almost say safer why thing enti I say for why deal and unti amanfo $6 ikoto nantwie o Senegal ba enti as at yesterday dollar was 12 are you getting me within a space of a Monday no be payment you know dollar was 12 I called and they told me say and pound tumu so as page ni muko 15 pound was 13 and no I was say menya me person be to be 15.3 ewo yi enti me no ya adwen say so metuma ma number 4 kro manimra because I didn't ba na say fra it does not gallop like a sotino enti e kakra betumi ache
oh enti say
ye 10-12 there masa
na ye bodala na
ye munu prepra no
because the dollar there Ghana economy pa the last 8-10 years no I know she and the young opportunity I was say yen range between 10 and 12
and you on the kayo also finance minister and the Bank of Ghana governor
no the target atomo ma target emra form
okay
na emru be 7 6 and 7 na pejene mu kura because my eba for me almost milo e mo nyina ma ya set ni bo ba for mo enu nti se ba for me sa na se mpo woje wansi dia beto we ni so a
yeah ma oji wa ketua kra ultimi your purchasing power increases
and the misaka betwa to be musu ni say omo sika we say no omo de baba be yi sa energy sector debt the IPPs near do omo independent power producers no any de baba yi free go say omo ka close to 1.5 to 2 billion dollars. Yentimi nti omo panyi mama mi so okoko di bobo ka chega na for say ba next January no wo mo dey saka no
obeyi free
and say bia when no ma dwen da so say bia so mo intimi passes the particular na we e beti aboma projection bia 3 months bia no ye benya say akwakotua ka na free because say we pass omo so mo ka chega na for say omo pese MMDAs no ene betua sa omo ka no what you say because omo so mo tua dia anka aban no and as a minister no dey and model is able to just say bia we Minister of Finance, we Parliament, we ECG, we are. You should come out with the means that will be the moment now you pass on to us, and that means you person IPP so can hit your madiama.
Yeah, but as Santi Obisu or say one country say petrol no bar day. Would they be able to? And you walk away amendment. Now what's the Sanwa? Why so? People are somebody will be on my as until what that dollar from dollar no. They will catch them on and say, who grab emission levy. What if some people are even calling say, and you move for COVID levy now, winning free honor and sustaining more fire no more far from COVID-19 levy no. And then omun use to no far NTS adding no almost added another 2 about so because in the end, some top petrol gallon. They 50, 70, about 58. Now it will go to about 62 or 63. What you say? Which means 4 cities as a betoso. Why you careful not dollar and general crazy so I best I con him. And until now, what the Awoka say, command dollar name from cry. At the moment, Yante and Kusi won't take. But the bottom line is a promise is a promise.
Yeah, but medicine. Back on medical and say, Tema oil refinery. Yet crude at world market price $62 per barrel. And for so ben a Ghana penny free so. Tema oil refinery and your refinery biao. Send come ya and cast a gallon of car. You know, a best about better tests.
Yeah, that's true.
And on my you say a year oil no, your best at 22 to 3 different taxes. Also over the years, the one the easiest you are taxing yana.
Now one ya baby.
Your tax and yes again to a baby about and you call I know and on my circle bus that I never form. Now tell refinery about emotion. Now other refinery said private one Ukraine now back. A baby for Mama Ghana for bit my top barrel no a say gallon back better test this. And no bus and I won't think to be around.
Yankasa. Yow.
Nkomoyi na me de make kwa kusie ni say amanyofo no your politicians no. E to da se bibi e wo man ni mu na yeye bibi ne sa de kro no ebebo wo man no a yen receiving a search ni yenyan se duru ba bia ye MPP ni NDC e hwehwe ni ma bi meanwhile na ade kro na e bia political party na na sa ban na e de eba no in the long run ebebo o man mu ni nyina na ye nyina but because say e bia political gains ne kasa ni ade ne ne ma ne ba binti no ne aye ne politics ya ne ase ade ne tantantan ilevi ade ya ye da ho na no obi busa ma sembi senti ya say boys yo mo ye YouTube ne hwan Facebook ye so de ade to no mo a ye tua wo ka hwan Instagram ne hwan na mo ye yesa ne ma ne nyina nti virtually they don't pay
free
anything.
Now it's free now
they receive their money just like that
free now
and I'm saying I na
and
I say but say the government has created an avenue and yes first no then kbia sa ne ma yes boys itimi hakene ade but ebia the introduction of e-levy and digital niema na bind the buy you
bank
enter
transactions
your Ghana card and sa niema no ebe streamline sa digital system no emo ye no neat ema ebe din se bi obi be hacke nti se government no create such an avenue ni how a woman say or task sa avenue ni ye dey anti sa bank say or the e-levy ba anase bia or the bibi ba na ebia wo sika no a because another
platform aban no create ma
creative odi any sika so ho and ewiase ba bia ekwan bia wo fa so bia any sika bia no
so tua ho
so tua to the extent say obi cha wade kra no a and yes kone kotua ho ade enti your politicians and MPP ni NDC for no edu ba bi na say policy bi anasa nhihie bi ebebo mamu no a yenyai politics bebre ekoba ye nyina na ye ba betua 1 cedi per liter on petrol oko akoto yi na chese ababa bro because bi enu no mobeko akogina filling station a also auto petrol 1 liter one tokra no obeto 1 gallon 1 gallon so near 4 cedis 50 pesos
and how di tiaka ho
4.5 and then just say me to 1 gallon petrol bia na me tia
4 cedis 50 pesos
e dey ama aban what
I say yes na aban no so ka kire Ghana
mo enti se na nka 11 na ho no mo a nke amfa 11 anya politics ne ma 11 na ho ene ma Ghana fo hunhia se 11 e etena ho no mo a 11 e se na nye se 1% you say enti se me sende 10 Ghana cedis ya yete me say 1 cedi me
ah enti fa ne say ka ko top petrol
yes
auto petrol 60 cedis
yes
11 1 cedi
yes which you say 60 pesos
that's a 60 pesos so 1% of 60 Ghana no is 60 pesos but right now 1 cedi of 60 no 6 cedis 50 pesos
yes
it is way higher and above 11
yes enti na yekoya anase e ba enti politicians
but at the end of the day say sika we so sabane beje na obedi nokura e betimi go a long way na ko offset the debt na yesu a amagina portutu okika kan ayapia na wiebo hu de onya ne hu no
we eba mi hu se nra the MPP were just say gidi MPs no me hu Collins Adoma ko nra na jono okasa just say edu ba bi kra no omuko committee level no ebeye heated argument between onone abuginapo emeka dekra no nkomo yusu
certain on every words against each other
ni nyina ye o defending the MPP and we so e defending the NDC but akonta nukura wom so ye say yes NDC dibia di MPP for ameye mo ya say ye di 11 ba mo ma ye be ya bonsamfo wo Ghana for anim but enemo mo de tax ba say 11 no mo de ba say e be solve a problem in this country. Tax here basis so about solve a problem in the country. Bibia no ma buy the bar MS solve a problem. But would demonize MPP ni 11 no but the number percent MPP e support
energy sector
energy sector but me dey make kwako say the MPP for NDCD o ma anyom de no. Say truly say energy sector levy we ya o mo de ba no e be kwako akotua sa and a legacy debt.
IPPs no kanwa
independent power producers yes say omubufu kakra bi omudum generator ne ba ko a ne
asema ba no
akota omuni no kre na sika no 1 cedi ne ade ade
going forward omu here say wo we of fonsa
no hwe de nya bi
today if NDC didn't have the numbers
yes ekebe
say 137 energy sector levy say
Kenya
which means you had the numbers and you bulldoze your way.
Yes.
Am I 11 be able some?
Yes.
Buy my 11 free ho, but I'm in finna mudi free ho.
And mudi free ho.
You are mashabo.
Mashabo.
I am in fit.
Yes.
And I say about say 11 na free on a harding. I'm sure revenue be harding to yemfa energy there.
MSH
Obi here and yemfa. Extra no na yeah. He who goes through the back door.
Your politicians, baby, omodi ababedu. Na me
Ghanaian politician.
Yes, so Ghanaians, the ordinary Ghanaian if he say ye jidie in politicians, I say asa.
It's just say Petro no swat to the point say. Akwa say oh ye the kakra gusu kra kan.
Akota eno de.
But ebe come. W Yahweh.
Yaw feel it.
1 gallon. You see, 4 cedi 50 pesos. Yeah, me top 10 gallons, sir. I'm paying how much?
Yes. What I say? So me top 1 gallon. I me 4 cedis 50 pesos. I me top 10 gallons, sir.
45 cedis.
5 Ghana cedis.
More to my petrol.
On a normal day, they get me. So me another 1 gallon.
I told 1 gallon. Kaho.
What I say? 2 catch me say.
Swati en kamia.
Mink en kamia.
Uni mi boto.
En kamia say. And I conta petrol ya dia ba ko a. Se 1 cedi crab betoso a. Enya effect wo bibia
they say we all have your driver for me saba be kase
driver for ba be kase
o ma say to petrol the 1 cedi ato later so there and the omo so omo nte so
omo kra mo be kase so omo kra mo no be gutam abo articulator na de ba no watum yetia na cement producers ba be kase say ye the 1 cedi bia ba be 2 liters so it cement no omo left here
cutting it from temano
omo de omo de bibi ba be to so eti ano de re no man kase enya effect go petrol ya de a say peso akra kokoto so a enya so e wo the ordinary Ghanaians
okay
but politics some no munyai sa ensem no
11 mom say 27 billion
Dabio o say enema emission levy enema na omo yiye no e 27.5 billion na almost say Ghana for say 27 billion no omo ma omo emu 5.7 billion
ah e benya free
sa energy sector levy no no omo fa nko tiaka
omo tanya say omo de kesiye abeje ketwa
omo de sakas kasika no da ho a ko benya 27 billion and omo ye free ho 85.7 no Ghana for enhu omo mobo
ene de Ghana for
hu ye mobo
kesiya na omo na abeje ketwa
I say abasa abasa
politics omo di bibia ye nene de wo sere se fa keto abeje kesiye na kesiye no kra anye
kesiye no ba no de koyi wo boka ejesia no 5.7 no ebetime tuatua energy eno energy nko na Ghana for
ntia se ni num bio ye tuata 1 cedi we
eno ni Greek no yaw ye go tua 1 cedi no kania na enum bio
ya ni IPP sin sign contract say no kwe say aban betua kana momodi a omo ni hu kwan say
let's can unto ya also so we no preso betua
e ba cha your time na so yen komra ka wasam fi me die no and no pay you the tip off for Brahma Orlando